Hey guys, I have made few videos in the past, and what happened today was that I've recently seen one of the comments on my videos, and somebody has asked me something related to the product about which I've posted this particular video, and that has, I don't know why, but given me a kick to start making videos again. I am currently unemployed because I was planning to move to Canada in the month of April, but then this whole lockdown situation happened, so that didn't actually worked out. But now I would be moving to Canada very soon. I'm thinking of starting a series about my experiences, what all happened in the past, what all is going to happen in the future, and also I have somewhat knowledge of applying makeup, about somewhat knowledge of skincare also. So I shall be making videos related to that also. This is the first time that I've come on YouTube, and with my hair all over the place, with my face without any makeup on. But let's just keep it very real, let's just keep it very straight for you guys, because I mean, we have all those rosy videos on YouTube where people are putting on makeup, they are trying to look their best, nobody's talking about the shit which is happening in their life. I'm gonna do all of that. I'm gonna take you to on that journey with me, on exploring a new country, on how I will be finding a job there, and what all will be happening with me. So I'll share all of that. Initially I will be moving alone, and my husband of course will be here in India, but later he will join me in Canada once things will be settled for me. So this is one step that we have planned to take, as as I've explained it to you guys. So let's just see how it goes. And apart, not only Canada thing, but I mean, everybody is doing that who is moving to Canada, but there are so many things that I want to talk about. I have my own experiences of trying skincare products, of learning how to apply makeup and everything. Thankfully I have a relative who is so sweet to teach me all of this, not teach me but to guide me to the right products and what all is will suit my skin and will suit the weather conditions and everything. So I shall be sharing that with you. I have been the most normal girl that you will come across, because I have had my share of experiences of dealing with acne, of dealing with various things which has not worked for me in the past, but is apparently now working for me, because now I have the required knowledge regarding that. So I'll start making these videos. If you find it interesting, please have a look at it. I will be on my weight loss journey also. I have gained somewhat some kgs of weight post my wedding, and I have been taking everything very lightly. But lately I have faced health issues, in the sense that I have had acidity attacks, I have had severe headaches and everything, all related to the fact that I was eating so unhealthy and not working out given the lockdown situation in our country. But whatever it is, so now I will be on my weight loss journey. I will be moving to a new country. So much things will be happening in my life that I want to share with all of you guys, that how a normal girl will deal with all these things, will go on this journey, and I will be taking you along with me. And guys, this is not for the sake of money that I'm doing it. Honestly, I am like super bored sitting at home. I'm trying to find a new hobby. I am trying to find things that excites me other than going out shopping, because after this COVID thing, we have understood that everything of this sort is actually temporary. So if you have something to share with the people which you think that might help them physically, mentally, or will give them an experience of a lifetime, then I think you should share it with them. So I will just be keeping myself busy with these videos, and at the same time giving you information related to how things are working out for me. So if you like it, whenever I'll start the series, I will keep posting the videos. So if you like it, please watch my videos. If not, then okay. But just try to watch it, and I'll shall post it very soon whenever the things happen. Bye bye.